everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. We're talking about UTHANDO NESTHEMBU. Guys, Macele is here to remind Macele that she is the first wife. She had a conversation with her sister-in-law Mpume. What she wants is to move out from Emakaya Mzumbe, which is where Macele's ancestors are resting. The reason why she wants to move out, she hates it when Macele visit other wives in the same yard in her presence. If you know guys, you know. She just wants to stay alone in her own yard with her children. Good news guys is that MNgwabe is done with her studies. She is ready to chill with her friends and give Macele a child he always wanted. Congratulations to her. I hope Macele will be happy. To have more than one wife is a serious challenge. I personally feel sorry for Macele guys. His stress level is about to go up. Maybe before I end this video, especially to those who understand Zulu culture, is the first wife allowed to move out from Ekaya Elikhulu? Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.